bringing you some puppy love. Hey there, it's Care. Welcome to My Chick at the Lake. Happy Valentine's Day. Recently I watched the video hop, the Valentine video hop that Janet Nash partook in, and a lot of the people asked the question, and maybe that was the theme of the thing, what is love? Love to me is puppy love, dog love, heartbeats at our feet, unwavering, completely trusting, never ending, completely pure puppy love. I thought that today would be a perfect day to show you my biggest glue book to date. I don't usually measure things because, quite frankly, I don't think it matters. But since we're talking about size, this is about 14 3/4 tall by 14 1/2 wide. And it's that big because that's the size bag I had, and that's the size grocery bag I used for the pages. Completely inspired by Nicole at Relax Cut Glue. I had just watched her make her 12 by 12 glue book, and I thought, oh, that'd be great to make room for my calendar pictures, my 12 by 12 calendar, dog calendar pictures that I've saved for all these years and didn't know what I was going to do with. And just the next day, my uncle brought me a Christmas bag, gift bag full of my gifts from the downstate Christmas that they had. I didn't attend. I stayed home and babysat the dogs. Yes, I did. I prefer dogs to people. Made sense to me. Anyway, the bag was perfect. It was wonderful. This is red and craft gingham. And of course, craft is the perfect thing to go with the grocery bag pages. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through of this best I can here because it's monstrously big. So cute. And these are just from my dog calendars. I haven't broke out the Boston calendars yet. I used the craft bag and the calendar inserts, the cardboard inserts that come with it to stabilize the cover. I am working on a video about how I made this. More on that eventually. So cute. They're so cute. I love this. I don't have to zoom in on anything. Look at his little paw up. He's so cute. And that little pug face. Oh my God. This doesn't fill your Valentine's heart. I don't know what will. Lots of room. I still have lots of room to add. I want to add dog words, fetch, love, lay down, sleep, nap, snacks, etc. And some of my dog stamps and stickers and whatnot, but I was so excited I wanted to show it to you right away. When I finish it, who knows when that'll be, I'll bring you another flip through. It's sort of interactive in that I didn't cut a lot of the bags. Here you can see it is just still intact grocery bag. I just folded it and minimally cut it. He's got a little friend. Sorry about the camera jerking. It's hard to maneuver this bugger. More Pugalicious. A little, I think that's a Westie. I think. So there's a lot of flip outs. Look how beautiful he is. So beautiful. And this one has a bit of a surprise. This was the cover, and so these little guys are on this side and the other side, but when you pull him down, he's got a little friend, probably his sibling. And then look on this part, and a little sweetie. Perfect puppy. Little sweetheart. I'm so glad to use these giant images someplace. I love that. I have someplace to put the big images. Because they're even too big to put on a cover. Like this is my typical 9x6 cover, and I'd still have to cut his paws off or the top of his head or something. Even this guy would just barely fit. I'm saving the centerfold for the Bostons. I haven't found those calendars yet. I know I have them somewhere, of course. Another little friend. Look how cozy and cuddly they are. So sweet. Happy babies. Totally. Look at even pink for Valentine's Day. So cute. Aww. So homely. He's cute. Those pink ears. Here's another flip out that I can fill up. Bostons. This is my list of stuff that I want to add to it. I still have plenty of room to grow. The front half was calendars. I think this is the top of a pizza box that was clean, so it is the perfect size. Nothing on the back yet. I also wanted to show you, also inspired by Janet Nash's participation in that Valentine video hop, I went to Canva. I made a few zines. I haven't made a zine in at least a year, maybe 2. But I was very inspired, and I made a couple that night. And I wanted to know if I could make a zine on Canva. And sure enough, I can. I will add words about what is love, just in honor of that video hop and Valentine's Day. I'll go back and add some words. I just wanted to see how it would work. And it worked out beautifully. I do have my measurements just a tiny bit off on my backgrounds, but it's all right. Black and pink are fine together. If you want to do this on Canva, I just did an 8.5 by 11 blank design, and I put dotted lines down the middle, and there's guides on Canva that show you when you're right centered. So I put the just tiny little dotted lines to give me an idea of where to put down the center, horizontal, down the center, vertical, and then again down the center of these two and the center of these two, and that's where my measurements are off. This pink is bigger than this black, so I just have to move it over just a hair and it'll be fine. But as you can see, these are upside down, these are upside right, because that's when you fold it, that's what has to happen. You just put it together. There's a million videos on how to make a zine, but I hadn't seen one done digitally before, and I wanted to see if I could do it, and I did it, and I love it. So there may be more zines in my future because I can do them on Canva, and it's so much fun to have a little journal or a little booklet made from one piece of paper. And now I know that I can do them on Canva, the possibilities are absolutely endless. I mean, they always were, but holy smokes, a whole new digital infinity of ideas. I hope you have a lovely, lovely Valentine's Day. Go love up your Beastlies even more. Give them extra treats. Take them on a walk. Buy them some special toy. Just spend time with them, because that's all they want. And sadly, they're not here very long. So go give them a hug. Magic at the Lake. Out for now.